Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce cloud complexity with GCP, complete guide step by step clearly. Understanding cloud complexity is vital for effective cloud management. The Google Cloud Platform, or GCP, offers various tools to simplify your cloud experience. Begin by evaluating your current cloud architecture. Identify the specific areas that contribute to complexity. Next, consider adopting a multi-cloud strategy. Utilize tools like Anthos to manage multiple environments seamlessly. Implement automated policies to streamline resource management. Leverage GCP's labels for better organization of your resources. This allows you to categorize resources based on purpose or team. Explore GCP's pre-built solutions for common use cases. This can significantly reduce the need for custom solutions. Consider using Google Kubernetes Engine for container orchestration. Containers help in managing applications more effectively. Utilize Cloud Functions for serverless execution of code. This reduces the overhead of managing servers. Next, monitor your services with Google Cloud Monitoring. Regular monitoring helps identify and address complexities early. Incorporate cost management tools like Google Cloud Billing. Understanding your expenditure can provide insight into resource usage. Engage with the Google Cloud Marketplace to find relevant third-party solutions. Effective solutions can help reduce the complexity of your cloud architecture. Ensure to provide training for your team on GCP tools and practices. A knowledgeable team can leverage features more effectively. Finally, conduct routine audits of your cloud resources. Regular checks help to eliminate unused or underutilized resources. By following these steps, you can significantly reduce cloud complexity on GCP. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.